Hello, dear students. Welcome to ELEAG 32. I am looking forward to meeting you through this assignment. With this assignment, I would like you to record your name, tell everyone where you're from, how long you've lived here in the United States, and also if you can share something unique about yourself. I would really appreciate that. I'm going to start. My name is Kate Hay, and I'm going to be teaching you ELEAG 32 this semester. And I am originally from Poland. I was born in Poland, and I lived there for the first 20 years of my life. I've been here in the United States for a little over 20 years. And something unique about myself that I would like to share with you is something that had a huge impact on my family and my life recently is the big fire, the CSU lightning fire. My family and I were actually evacuated last week. We returned home on Friday, and we were very happy to see our house untouched by the fire. The entire community also survived. No home was burned, so we were very happy about that. Well, that's about me. Again, for this assignment, if you can record your name, tell us where you're from, how long you have lived here, and if you can share something unique about yourself, that would be wonderful. Welcome again to ELEAG 32, and I wish you a wonderful semester.